There's a reason you felt drawn to this message. Your intuition and your guides have led you here. Ready for the message meant only for you? Welcome to Mystic Enchantress 1111.
Today, let's do a collective reading for all signs in general. For next week energy, what you need to prepare for. If you are here, trust that the universe brought you to the guidance meant for you today. Let's dive into the energy and see what spirits want to reveal. I already pre-shuffled the cards. We'll pull out the tarot and guidance card and see how it goes. So, next week energy, what you need to prepare for. What is the next week energy and what you need to prepare for. Okay. So, energy of the week is the High Priestess, and what to focus on for next week is Two of Swords, and what to release or avoid is King of Wands, and the opportunities or blessings coming in for the next week is Seven of Wands, and the outcome for next week is King of Pentacles. And we'll pull out Oracle card and see the overall guidance for next week. The Oracle card for overall guidance for next week. Your commitment is being tested. Okay. So, your commitment is being tested. So, you have to develop the patience needed for the next week, and you have to prepare for the patience because your commitment is being tested. So, you should be patient enough to avoid any issues. Okay. So, the energy of the week is High Priestess. That means you are full of intuition, like your intuition is on fire the next week, and you know how to balance negatives and positives, and you can analyze pros and cons in any situation, and you are very compassionate, and your intuition is working on high level, and you are emotionally sensitive next week. Okay. You are emotionally sensitive, but you are highly intuitive, and you can weigh pros and cons and analyze positives and negatives in every situation. And what to focus on is you are trying to take some decision. Sorry guys, there is some power issue, so bear with me. So, what you need to focus on is you're trying to take some decision, and as I said, you're emotionally sensitive, and you're trying to weigh pros and cons because you have the ability to analyze pros and cons, and you're trying to weigh pros and cons in a situation and trying to take a decision. And don't worry, whatever decision you take, that will be towards the success. And what to avoid or release in the month of December is all the insecurities. Whatever insecurities you have or whatever dependency issues you have, you need to release those insecurities because I can see some obstacles popping in, and because of those obstacles you are feeling insecure, and you have to avoid or you have to release those insecurities. And if you can release those insecurities because of the obstacles, and if you can release the dependency issues and insecurities caused because of those dependency issues, then I can see success and growth in your path. And the opportunities or blessings coming in is you get the blessing of setting the boundaries up, because I feel that you are the person who help everyone, without any issue. Whenever if someone comes to you and if they ask you for help, and you will immediately help them. But now you are learning to set up some boundaries, because there is limit for everything, and you are trying to set up some boundaries. And don't think in a negative way that if we are not helping others, then how can it be a blessing? It is a blessing in disguise, because now you are trying to give time to yourself, and you are learning how to value yourself by setting up boundaries. So it's a good thing that you are keeping up, or you are trying to save your self-respect. And the final outcome is, I can see you are feeling very abundant. You will be very abundant. You will be very happy, and you will gain all the stability needed. You are financially independent, and you are very stable enough, and you are in a good position, or a authoritative position. So in order to reach this level, don't forget that your commitment is being tested. So you have to trust your intuition and weigh pro and cons in each situation, and try to take a decision, and also release all the insecurities and caused by the obstacles and insecurities caused by any dependency issues, which will eventually give you growth. And learn to set the boundaries, and healthy boundaries. Learn to set up the healthy boundaries, which will eventually help you to keep your self-respect. And in this phase, your commitment is being tested, and which will eventually give you abundance and success, and also stability and growth. Hope this resonates. Everyone, comment me below if it resonates. And thank you, beautiful souls, for tuning in. If this message resonated, please like, comment and subscribe. It truly supports the channel. Wishing you clarity, blessings and divine alignment. I'll see you in your next reading. If this reading resonates, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed and trust your intuition.